The nomenclature for museum cataloging is now available online in both English and French. Today, we will show you how to use the nomenclature website in correspondence with the CollectiveAccess database. You can search terms or you can browse the hierarchy. So here is CollectiveAccess. We will now enter the object name according to the nomenclature, which is now available online. So I'm going to go back to the nomenclature website. And let's start with search terms. You'll see up here we have a few different options. Term order, we always search by inverted. Here's where you perform your keyword search. So let's start with chair. When you scroll down here, you'll see we have a number of different options to choose from. The Parks Canada Visual Dictionary was incorporated into this resource, which is why some of the entries have images and others do not. For example, let's use chair, hall. The category is the first level in the hierarchy, in this case, category 2, furnishings, which is followed by the second level in the hierarchy, classification, in this case, furniture, followed by the third level in the hierarchy, subclassification, in this case, seating furniture. Let's move back to CollectiveAccess here. Object name, chair, hall. We'll scroll down to category. Since we set up these categories and classifications as a hierarchy in CollectiveAccess, we chose to call the field category, since that is the most familiar term used. And click Save to add the new record. Let's go back to the nomenclature website. For the second option, you can browse by hierarchy. We are working our way through the hierarchy here, from the first level category to the second level classification to the third level subclassification. If you choose chair, which is listed under the subclassification seating furniture, you will see that it is listed as the preferred primary term. Continue to narrow down your options for object name in CollectiveAccess by exploring secondary and tertiary terms listed here. If the object you're looking for is not listed, you can add it using the same naming formula that is used throughout nomenclature. General term, qualifying term, just like chair, hall. I highly recommend that everyone uses this platform going forward instead of the nomenclature books. It contains the most current information and it's accessible for all.